The CIGMAN CD80. This is something like you've never seen before. If I open this up right here, it's got a little carrying case. Inside there you have a charger and you also have a lanyard. It has this nice case. You pull this out. Check this guy out. This has lasers, USB-C charging right there. And I'm going to kind of put it down and show you some of my favorite features. So I'll bring it down here. Now, if I just put it here, you can see here it's in measurement mode. So it's going to shine on that wall that you see in front of me, right? And if I click this, it's going to tell me the distance. It's 9 feet, 11 inches to that wall, wherever this laser hit, okay? Now, if I click this and I click over, I can do area, which I don't think we need to do that, but basically you would measure the length and the width of a room and it would give you the area. You could do volume. I don't know if you're filling maybe a room up with water. You could do Pythagorean. You could do your angles. So let me show you that. Put it up like this. It'll give you the exact angle of what something is, right? So pretty neat. We'll put it back down. We'll move over to level. So we can put this down and see it's like a level there, or like a ball, like a ball level. Pretty neat, right? And it's super easy to use. And this screen is awesome. This is my favorite part, function. Now watch this. Now if I put this on this wall, it's going to tell me it's 119 inches away. And as I move this, like a scale, it's going to move the distance. How cool is that? It's like a digital tape measure. So now I'm 125 and 127, 129. And it's telling me, see the distance, see where the little dot is there? I don't know if you could see that, but that's where it's measuring to, right there. Super cool, super neat. It's got a couple other functions. You got indoor setting, outdoor setting. So you can see this in the outdoors. And then if you go into settings, you can see in here, you can, let me go back, put it. You can actually, inside the settings, you can set different units of measurement. So you can measure by feet, you can measure by centimeters, millimeters, meters, feet, inches, and then the way I have it, feet and inches. There's some other settings in here. You could have it measure from here to wherever the laser is, or from here to wherever the laser is. You got a great user manual. It's got tons of information. It's color. It's just very premium feeling, and the little case keeps it very protected. So they did a really good thing here, a really neat tool. I was blown away when I saw this and just how neat it is. Really cool little guy here. Definitely neat. You got a little battery indicator there. Awesome thing. Awesome. Really neat.